It is time for your 1-minute weather update. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Kevin Roth. Not only do we have that chance for some afternoon storms, but those rain chances continue through the evening tonight as well. And that's the primary difference. Our rain chances going up late tonight as a front drops in from north to south. Now, the best chance of seeing rain is going to be those areas north of I-10. But even in that I-10 corridor, including Houston, if you have plans to be out and about tonight, be aware you could see some showers and storms. This is what it looks like with Future Track here, and we'll take you into the afternoon and early evening. You start to see those showers and storms firing up north. Watch them dive south. Now, I'm pausing this at 11 o'clock, and that's about when we have the best chance of storms in and around Houston, is late tonight as those storms drift south and then fade apart as they cross over I-10. For Sunday, we start dry, but that boundary is still going to be in place. So as we head into the afternoon on Sunday, it is likely we'll see another round of showers and storms. That coverage actually increasing as well as you go through the day on Sunday. So here's your full forecast. 40% for today, 60% Sunday and Monday, and then we start winding things back down. Tuesday, 40%, Wednesday, 30%. Thursday, 20. And of course, as those rain chances go down towards the end of next week, that heat goes back up. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Kevin Roth, and that's a look at your 1-minute weather update.